Why does lymphoma involve the spleen and thymus? Imagine your body's immune system as a busy security team, constantly patrolling for threats. The spleen and thymus are like specialized training centers and command posts for this team. To understand why lymphoma, a type of blood cancer, often involves these organs, we need to look at how the lymphatic system works. This system is a network of tissues, vessels, and organs that help defend the body against infections and diseases. It includes lymph nodes, the spleen, thymus, and other lymphoid tissues. The spleen, located in the upper left part of the abdomen, acts as a blood filter. It removes old or damaged red blood cells and platelets, and it stores lymphocytes, which are white blood cells crucial for immune responses. The spleen also helps produce antibodies and activate immune cells. Because lymphocytes gather and multiply there, the spleen becomes a common site where lymphoma can develop. When abnormal lymphocytes grow uncontrollably, they can form tumors within the spleen, leading to its enlargement and involvement in the disease. The thymus, situated behind the breastbone, is vital for developing T lymphocytes or T cells. These cells are essential for the body's adaptive immune response, helping distinguish between the body's own cells and foreign invaders. The thymus is most active during childhood and adolescence, but it continues to be part of the lymphatic system throughout life. Although less frequently involved than the spleen, the thymus can also be affected by lymphoma, especially in certain types. Lymphoma involving the spleen and thymus happens because these organs are central to lymphocyte production and regulation. Since lymphoma originates from lymphocytes, organs where these cells are abundant or actively maturing are more likely to be involved. In staging lymphoma, the presence of disease in the spleen is significant, often indicating a more advanced stage. For example, stage 3 lymphoma involves lymph nodes on both sides of the diaphragm and may include the spleen. The thymus's involvement is rarer but can occur, especially in specific lymphoma subtypes. Understanding how the spleen and thymus fit into the immune system helps clarify why they are common sites for lymphoma. The spleen's role as a lymphocyte reservoir and blood filter makes it a natural target, while the thymus's role in T-cell development can also make it vulnerable. Recognizing these connections is important for diagnosis and treatment planning. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice, as individual cases can vary widely.